Hey dolls, it's Leigh, and today I'm so excited to bring you a video that's a quick 10-minute no makeup look. So we'll be going through a few quick steps to just brighten your complexion and enhance your natural beauty so that you can look and feel like the best version of yourself in under 10 minutes. So the first step is going to be to prep the skin. If you're tired and you don't get a lot of sleep, like so many of us don't, this is going to be a great way to just prep the skin. All you're going to do is spray this right on your skin. This is going to be your primer, your refresher, your hydration. This is packed with 10 powerful ingredients that are going to do amazing things for your skin, like coconut water to hydrate, retinol, copper triglycerides, you name it, and it's probably in here if it's good for your skin. So that's all I'm going to do there. And then the next step is I'm going to add some concealer. So this is another great way to just wake up your whole face if you don't want to wear a lot of makeup. So Hydraluxe Concealer is going to act like a cup of coffee for your under eyes. Just like a cup of coffee is going to wake up that skin in the morning, Hydraluxe Concealer is going to do the same thing for your under eye area. So you can put this on in two different ways. You can either apply this with a brush for a sheerer coverage, or you can go ahead and use a sponge. I'm using a beauty blender here for purposes of today's video. This is gonna give you a fuller coverage. So I love that this concealer has Smooth Assist technology. So I know I'm getting concentrated skincare while I'm getting my brightening and I'm getting my coverage, and it feels so lightweight on the skin. So that's the difference from one eye to the other, and can I just tell you, this feels amazing. It's so cooling, it's depuffing, it's soothing, and the great thing is you can use this on areas that are not just the under eye area. You can use this on little laugh lines. It's going to go ahead and help smooth those out. You can use it on redness around the nose if you have that like I do. This is really a great multitasking product that can hide a multitude of flaws that so many of us have and would like to just camouflage when we leave the house for the day. So I'm just blending this in again with a sponge, but remember, you can use this with your fingers, you can use this with a brush. There's no wrong way to put this on, basically. Another thing I like to do is I like to take anything that's left on my sponge, brush, or finger and just apply it to my eyelid. So because it has the Smooth Assist technology, it actually works to smooth the texture on the lid and makes a wonderful base for eyeshadow if you were to go ahead and put any eyeshadow on top of it. So I actually think I need a little bit of this on my upper lip too, because I have some discoloration there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just blend that in. And that's it. You're gonna get long wear, you're gonna get full coverage, you're gonna get good for your skin ingredients. There's basically nothing that this concealer can't do. So next, if you're in a hurry or you don't wear a lot of makeup and you just wanna add some dimension and definition to your face, brow is essential. So many of us, I think, can be scared of doing our brows, and that's natural because it can be intimidating. But the great thing about the Archmaster is that you get 3 different brow products to create the perfect brow depending on what you're comfortable doing and what your needs are, right? So you have your pencil, you have your powder, and you have your brow mascara or your brow gel. So your brow gel is going to be wonderful when you're in a hurry and you just want to add a little bit of color. Your powder is going to be wonderful if you need to add dimension. And then the pencil is, of course, your essential, your staple. That's how you go ahead and shape and sculpt the brow. So I'm going to use 2 out of 3 of the steps for today. So I have brows, but unfortunately they're not symmetrical and there's gapping. So what I like to do is just go ahead and fill them in and make sure that they frame my face. And this is something that I do whether I'm wearing a full face of makeup or I'm wearing next to no makeup, which is what I'm going to be doing in today's video, because it just makes such a difference. The dimension, the shape, the color, it just makes your face look awake, and it's one of those things that can be so easy if you just have the right product. So I've gone ahead and just filled that in, traced the natural shape of my brow, and then I'm just going to go ahead and go over it with the brow gel. And remember, you want to use a really light hand when you're applying your brow gel. You don't want to scrub it into the brow. You almost want to barely touch the brow when you put this on, and then the gel will go ahead and grab the hair, it will grab the skin, and then once you put this on, it's not moving. So next, for that no makeup look, we always want to have our mascara. Mascara is going to make our eyes look wide awake, make us look fresher, younger, all those good things that we want, and the right mascara can really make you fall in love with your eyes again. So Effort Lash is 6 mascaras in one formula. Took 3 years to develop this, and in this mascara you're actually getting curl, condition, length, volume, style, and separation. So it's doing 6 things in one formula, and it's so easy to apply. You've got a brush that's gonna give you over 500 bristles when you go ahead and apply it, so it's gonna coat every little lash. I like to tilt my head back when I put my mascara on because it just helps me get right to the root of my lashes, and then I usually kind of hold it once I pull it through. But you will see right now, hold on one second, what a difference that makes. So I don't have great lashes, but this mascara allows me to maximize everything that I do have in a way that's quick and easy. I don't have any clumps, I don't have any flakes. It's my go-to, it's my little black dress of mascara, and it's really gonna be your everyday staple. So, and then one of the last steps in our no makeup look is lip. So when you have your lip color done, everything else just looks like you've put an effort in, right? It just looks like you're tied together, wakes up your face, and does wonders for your self-confidence too. So this lip liner is Fame. So this is my go-to shade. It's a soft baby pink, and it just adds definition to my lips. I don't overdraw, as you'll see. Then I'm gonna go in with our lip crayon right now, and I'm just gonna add a little bit more color. So here's the thing about these that are so wonderful. You're getting the benefits of a lipstick, a balm, and a gloss in these crayons. You get the perfect amount of color, they feel so lightweight on your lips, and they serve a couple of different purposes too. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and just use this one as a blush too. So that's it, just a few easy steps to wake up my skin and get me out the door in the morning when I don't want to do a full face. Hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching, dolls, and we'll see you soon.